Have you ever wondered why the armadillo, a seemingly small and harmless creature, wears such a heavy suit of armor? It's a question that piques the curiosity of many. Armadillos, these unique beings, are cloaked in a distinctive shell that sets them apart in the animal kingdom, a shell that serves as their very own suit of armor. These fascinating creatures carry a name that perfectly describes their unique trait. Armadillo, a word that dances off the tongue, originates from Spanish and translates to little armored one. How fitting a title for a creature whose defense mechanism is a part of its very identity. This armor, a characteristic so distinctive, it has become synonymous with the creature itself. But why such a heavy, cumbersome shell for such a small animal? What purpose does it serve? And what secrets does the armadillo hold beneath its armored exterior? So what lies beneath this well-armored exterior? Let's delve into the life of an armadillo. Imagine living your entire life in a suit of armor. For an armadillo, this is a reality. This extraordinary creature with its distinctive leathery armor has evolved to be a master of survival in its often harsh and unpredictable environment. The purpose of the armadillo's armor is multifaceted. It acts as a protective shield, a formidable barrier against the sharp claws and teeth of predators. This hard outer shell is made up of bony plates or scutes, covered in a tough layer of keratin, the same material that makes up our own hair and nails. When faced with danger, some species of armadillos can even curl up into a nearly impenetrable ball, leaving predators with no soft underbelly to attack. But the armadillo's armor serves another vital purpose. It plays a crucial role in their digging abilities. Armadillos are burrowers, creating intricate networks of tunnels for shelter and to search for food. Their hard shells help them to break through the soil and move it aside, making them proficient diggers. It's fascinating to note that armadillos are among the few mammals on Earth to possess such a shell. This unique adaptation has allowed these creatures to thrive in a variety of environments where other mammals might struggle. Indeed, the armadillo's armor is not just a fashion statement, it's a life-saving suit. Beneath the hard exterior of an armadillo lies a solitary soul. Yes, indeed, the armadillo lives a solitary life, a life that is often misunderstood, but perfectly tailored to its needs and survival. These unique creatures spend a large part of their day in pursuit of sustenance, foraging through the underbrush and digging in the soft soil. Their keen sense of smell guides them to their meals, hidden beneath the Earth's surface. It's a busy life, a life filled with constant activity, and yet, it's a life lived in solitude. Food for an armadillo is a smorgasbord of insects, grubs, and other small invertebrates. They use their long, sharp claws to dig into the soil and uncover these hidden delicacies. It's a diet that is simple, yet rich in nutrients, perfectly suited for the armadillo's energetic lifestyle. Digging is also essential for their survival in another way. They carve out burrows in the earth, safe havens that provide shelter from harsh weather and predators. These burrows are their homes, their sanctuaries, places where they can rest and recharge, free from the prying eyes of the world. Armadillos are solitary by nature, not by choice. It's a lifestyle that suits them well, enabling them to thrive in environments many other creatures cannot. The life of an armadillo is indeed a tale of solitude, but it's a life perfectly suited to these resilient creatures. The armadillo, despite its solitary life, plays a significant role in our ecosystem. These unique creatures are nature's very own pest controllers. They feed on a variety of insects, worms, and other invertebrates, keeping their numbers in check. This is particularly beneficial in agricultural settings where pests can wreak havoc on crops. But their contributions don't stop there. As they dig burrows and forage for food, armadillos aerate the soil. And this activity not only helps in water infiltration, but also aids in nutrient cycling, promoting healthier and more fertile soil. And let's not forget, armadillos themselves serve as a food source for larger predators. Creatures like coyotes, bobcats, and large birds of prey rely on armadillos for sustenance, adding another layer to the food web. So, the next time you see an armadillo, remember, they are more than just walking armors. They are vital links in our ecosystem,